The coil spring, the backbone of your car's suspension system. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever thought about the one component that physically holds your entire car up off the ground, supporting the weight of the engine, the chassis, and all the passengers? Well, today we're diving into the simple, powerful, and absolutely essential coil spring. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works, why your car's ride height is so important, and how it works with the shock absorber we just talked about. Trust me, you'll never look at a simple metal spiral the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. The coil spring is perhaps the most fundamental component in your car suspension system. It is a length of hardened steel wire tightly wound into a spiral shape. It has two primary functions that are non-negotiable for driving. Support weight, the core job. Its first most crucial job is to bear the entire weight of your vehicle. It's what keeps your car lifted off the tires. Absorb and store energy. When you hit a pothole, the spring compresses to absorb the impact. This compression stores the impact energy, preventing the shock from transferring directly to the chassis and you. Remember, the spring supports the weight and absorbs the impact. The shock absorber, the damper, is what controls the release of that energy. The coil spring works purely on the principles of elasticity and potential energy. Elasticity. The spring is made of high-quality, heat-treated steel, making it incredibly resilient. It wants to constantly return to its original shape. Compression, storing energy. When the wheel hits a bump, the spring is squeezed. That energy from the impact is stored as potential energy. It's energy waiting to be released, like a rubber band. Extension, releasing energy. As soon as the bump is passed, the spring rapidly pushes back to its original length, releasing that potential energy. Spring rate. The speed and force with which the spring compresses and rebounds is called the spring rate. A stiff spring, high rate, means a sporty, firm ride. A soft spring, low rate, means a comfortable, cushy ride. It's this constant push and pull that keeps the car level and absorbs road imperfections, all while being controlled by the shock absorber to prevent oscillation. If you are liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. While they all look like spirals, not all coil springs are built the same. Constant rate springs. These are the most common springs where the wire thickness and coil spacing are uniform throughout. They compress at a consistent rate, offering a predictable ride in most passenger vehicles. Variable rate or progressive springs. These springs have unevenly spaced coils or coils made with tapered wire. They start off soft for comfort during gentle driving, but become progressively stiffer when compressed further, like during hard cornering or hitting a large pothole, giving you the best of both worlds. Pigtail springs. This is a term used to describe the shape of the ends of the spring, which are wound tighter to fit into specific mounting pockets on certain car models, ensuring they sit flush against the suspension components. Application summary. Coil springs are found in virtually every modern passenger vehicle. They can be used on all four corners of the car, either independently or as a part of a coil-over or strut assembly. The coil spring is the load bearer. It's simple, reliable, and crucial. A broken spring will instantly sag your car, leading to dangerous handling and misalignment. Warning signs. Look out for one corner of your car sitting noticeably lower than the others, or hear loud clanking or snapping noises when going over small bumps. If you see a piece of broken coil wire on the ground, your spring is damaged. If this breakdown helped you finally understand the simple genius of the coil spring, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, what's the weirdest thing you've ever found under your suspension? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.